So this is my girlfriend's G37 X Coupe, and this is what it is before the IPL bumper got into an accident, so that's why we got a new bumper. Really basic to take it off, you guys. This is really all you need right here. Ratchet with the 10 and then little flat head. You just crank those up, dink, pop them out like that. And then all of these screws are just, as you can see, right on the bottom here, connecting this little panel. Really basic. And yeah, we're taking off this grill because that is new. We're gonna put that on the next bumper. So, unboxing the IPL bumper. Oh snap, already painted. Okay, that side. Yank that off there. And let's set it on the box. Snap. Alright. Full pick. IPL bumper. We'll install right now. So this is the final product and it looks so good. So much more better. Instantly, you could just tell the aggressiveness of the IPL bumper. Easy to install, you guys. Oh, the bumper was trash. And this one just gets it.